Going to be inside for a little bit more now with the colder weather, nasty weather. There's also a question for a lot of us. How do we make our homes safer? So you're not up against those outside forces. Who knows what's going on in our world these days, right? So here's a quick list of things to primer. We've talked about things in the past, but this is a quick list of what to kind of bring it to your front of mind so you're able to remember these types of things going into the winter. Lock every door and window. Yeah, that's a no-brainer. Install deadbolt locks. That's a no-brainer. Reinforce door frames. And by that, those screws that go into the door frame where your latch goes in, if you look at those screws, they're probably only an inch, maybe at that. But the suggestion is unscrew those using maybe an electric drill, and then get longer 3-inch screws that go well into the body of the door frame so that if a burglar's going to try to kick in, it's not so easy to break into the house. Get a video doorbell. Make sure you got secure sliding glass doors, and then use a metal bar to keep those doors from being open just in case the lock's not working right or you forget to lock the door itself. Use motion activated lights. Install a smart security system. Don't advertise you're away if you're going on vacation. Trim shrubs near windows so you can see out, and get to know your neighbors. Let them know if you're heading out of town for a little bit. Let them know to keep an eye on your house. Also, if you can't, have a neighbor to park a car in the driveway so someone thinks that is someone's home. And then there's also beware of dog signs that you can put out there even if you don't have a dog. And don't hide spare keys outside. Burglars know that there may be something out there, and they know where to look too, under rocks, hidden locations. Add window locks if you need to. Lock up tools and ladders when you're not using them. Use timers for lights to indicate that you might be home within the house, so lights go on and off throughout the house. Fence in your yard if that's a possibility. Install window security film to keep burglars from looking in. And post security stickers like you have ADT or one of the other burglary companies monitoring your house, even if you don't. And then ask for police for a free home security check. I didn't know that they actually do that, but apparently they do. Free home security check to let you know what maybe you might want to change if you are a little concerned about what's walking around outside.